So I'm out here checking the trail cams. I have one at the apple trees and one back in the woods. And you can see it's snowing. I'm glad we got the chicken coops done before this cold weather hit. So I got all my chicken coops cleaned out. Got new straw in here. Hey, Lucky. Look at you. Hard to believe I hatched him from an egg last year. How do you like the new straw, Lucky? Huh? Oh, you're a big boy. And I got this one cleaned. This one just has 3 chickens in it. And then I got this one cleaned. A lot of straw in here. I see I got a couple eggs there. And looks like another one there. I got the rabbit cages cleaned. Aww. You guys sure are cute. Right, Gypsy and Willow? One. There's Iron Man. Hey, baby. You took it from me. So I'm out here, I got some treats for my chickens. And we finished enclosing them for the winter. And the area back there, they can still get outside if they want to. But at least they won't have to be in the snow. I'll show you how it looks inside. Hey guys. Hold on. See, it's nice inside here. And right there, that's where they can get out. And go in the back area. Then we put that hard plastic on the top. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Yep, rain mixed with snow.